If you want to make your own door, stay until the end and find out how. Welcome back to another short tutorial. Today we will show you how to make any door you want in a few simple steps. To start, you need to draw your door in outline. You can trace a door from a picture or draw your own ideas, just like we are about to do. Once you have drawn your door, the next important step is to select the door and go to the option file plus libraries and objects, plus save selections as choose door leaf, and then simply click Save. The next step is to draw a wall and select sliding doors, for example. Choose the door appearance to be custom door leaf and simply add the door we saved earlier, and that's it. Very simple. Of course, you can now modify these doors just like any other doors that already exist in the library. If you want more content like this, please write to us in the comments, and don't forget to follow and like the video. It would mean a lot to us. Thank you!